Dragon Ball Super FB08 Saiyans Pride by single box random number 1. We have everyone here looking at the die for 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there is 6 times with these 6 pips. Sorry, my mouse is going everywhere. The mouse is like super sensitive. I'm not used to the mouse speed. I'm gonna stop being lazy and adjust it real quick. There we go. Right? I think so. There is our... Wait, what? I mean, I know, right? It's just kind of funny. That's kind of wild. Alrighty, I'm gonna get this thing printed. Have that printing. I got a list pulled up of all the high chases. The Sun Goten card. Let's see that one, dude. What the heck? Let's see that SCR. Exactly, fam, exactly. All right, FB08. Fusion World Booster number 8 is what that stands for. Good luck, everybody. There's Krillin. Son Gohan Youth, number 6 on the rare. And Kakarot, number 6. Got the tail. And then the tail gets cut off. These packs giving a little bit more of a fight. There must be something good in here. Son Goku, number 6 on the rare. And there's Cell, number 4 on the rare. Enter the digital version. Heroes Heritage, number 9. Looks like some kind of swass. SR. Great Ape, Son Gohan. I've seen many a time artwork of this Great Ape. 51 number 1. Cress. Immense latent power. There we got Caulifla. I don't think I've ever seen this character. Number 7. And Son Goku Jr., number 2. Riding on the bear. So was that Icarus? Icarus. Flying too close to the sun. There we got a leader of Turles, number 9. We got a rare number 8. And a leader parallel. Whoa! Son Gohan on the leader parallel. That is a sick looking one, man. That is sick. That is just sick. Number 1 on the leader crest. Oh, the foiling's nuts on that one, dude. What the heck? The foiling is nuts on that one. Is that a Kamehameha that he's doing right there? Kamehameha. I got the, yeah, that's nice. That is a sick one, man. That is a sick one. He's on the cover of the pack. Hyo Dragon. Looks like a Digimon. I got the Threads of Fate, number 4 on the rare. Son Goku, number 1 on the rare. And there we got Vegeta, number 1 on the rare. And Brawly on the SR. Shoot, man. Hang on. Trying to get the foiling in view. There we go. Look at that. Especially right behind them. Crazy looking cards, especially for the SRs. Number 7. Going out to Cress. Gotta kind of open these a little different this box. There we go. What's going on back here? We got Turtles. Or Turles. SR Parallel. There he is again. Am I saying that right? Turtles? Holy, wow. Wait. Crazy looking, dude. They really nailed getting the gold to be as shiny and vibrant as possible over there at Bandai. That is a sick one, man. That is sick. There we got Kefla, number 3 on the rare. Son Goku Childhood, number 3 on the rare. Akiu is back. Akiu returns. You got a leader right there of Turtles, number 9. Vegeta, number 1. And Hit 0 on the rare. Vegeta, 117, that Halo number, number 7. And Threads of Fate, number 4 on the rare. We got 3 foils in that pack? SR, 0. Son Goku, whoa, the texture on this one. The texture on this one is crazy. 0 spot that's going out to Hawkeye with the Son Goku. We had an extra rare in that one, I think. Chatsu. What the hell's happening back here, dude? These cards, I swear, man. Number 1 on the King Vegeta. Yeah, man. I knew it going into these, how vibrant and pretty these cards were gonna be. I've had so many people tell me about Dragon Ball cards, and I've looked at them. It's just, it hits different when you pull them like that, man. Beautiful card. Bardock. That is 112. Number 2. Going out to Cress. Super cool looking card, man. We got Son Goku, number 1 on the rare. And Son Goku again, number 6 on the rare. Let me do some sleeving casing real quick. A little bit past the halfway point, and this box. Coco. There we got Vegeta, number 7. And on the SR, Son Gohan Childhood. That's a cool one. That's a cool one. That's number 106 for Cress. Would that be when he's at his strongest? Is that pre-nerf Gohan right there? The JML experience. Oh, wait, you found your way to the TCG room. Welcome in. There we got Caulifla. Number 5 on the leader. Number 1, Son Gohan. Fruit of the Tree of Might, number 2 on the rare. Like that JML, the 2 breakers I watch in one stream. I know, I just recognize JML's name from the pop room. JML had gotten into a couple breaks in the pop room. There's Brawly, number 6 on the rare. And Pan, number 3 on the rare. I will say, there's a lot of times the outfits of the Dragon Ball characters, man, they dripped up, man. And a lot of times they straight up dripped out. Fun fashion sense in a lot of the artwork from Dragon Ball. I'd say my favorite like outfits come from JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. They always have really fun, cool outfits. And then I have seen a lot of really cool outfits out of Dragon Ball. Number 8, Thirst for Strength, number 8. There's a drip. Kakarot, number 5. And on the SR, Kaba, number 9. Can't sleep on the SRs, bro. They're pretty cards. They're pretty cards. There's Doogly. There's Doogly. It's a great time, man. Cards are beautiful. Bandai, they just, I know they cook. When you see it in person, when you taste what's been cooked, it is different. Caulifla, number 7. And Son Gohan, number 3. There we have number 0. Sorry, I was reading chat. We hit a SCR Dog. Vegeta, number 9. And Goku. Oh, wow. Vibrant card. Something about the gold foiling, man. I don't know what they did to make it just so reflective. It's so cool, so good. That one's number 7. Number 5. And Android 18. There we got Gohan on the leader, number 1. Cell, number 4. And number 9 on Heroes Heritage. Down to the last 3 packs. I will say, Doug, all the boxes sold out very quickly. So there's our sign. We got number 9 and number 7 on Turtles. Blue pack, second from the end. Goodness me. Number 7, the packs are very friendly. These ones putting up a little bit of attitude. There we got number 2 on the rare. And then an SR, Son Goku. Ooh, I like the green and black on this card. Green and black looks really nice. 55, number 5. Number 5. Last pack. Last pack. I like the mask. There we got Demon Resurrection number 5. Finishing off with some sauce. SR. Vegeta Youth. Vegeta Youth. 92 number 2. And a bunch of, is that Cell? Is that baby Cell all around him? Let's hit that sick nasty recap, folks. We'll say the numbers as we see them. We got number 1, 5, 9, 9, 5, 7, 9, 6, 0, 7, and 1. We have our parallels. Oh, we got 92. I was so enamored by the card, I put it up with the parallels. Man. Number 112, number 2 on the SR parallel of Bardock. Charles, 59, number 9 on the SR parallel. And then the leader, alt leader. Is the card back different? Yeah, the card back is. That's cool. They got the double face. They got the double face for when you, I believe when you transform in the game. Swap over to the other side. Yeah, it's the awakened side. Number 1. That one is cool. Folks, that was Dragon Ball Super Fusion World FB08 by single box random number 1. We got number 2 coming up. And we got to see if we can get some more of this stuff soon, man.